So today is Monday. This is our first chance to get to do any kind of real homework lesson. And this is pretty much going to be a review. There's really nothing that's changed. This is just on basic place value. But in order to do anything else throughout the entire math year, you have to know how to do this. So first of all, we have this one number, 123. All three of these are what's considered a set or a period. You'll hear it called either way, and it's not important that you know that it's called a set or a period. What's important is that you know how to do this. That you know that this 3 is in the ones place, this 2 is in the tens place, and that 1 is in the hundreds place. So you end up with a pattern, HTO. After every one of the HTOs, there's going to be a comma. So let's see that with a really big number. So here we have this whole big string of number, but you know what? I don't want to say this out loud. So let's first of all go ahead and label our ones, tens, and hundreds places. So we're going to start, and you always start on your right hand side. Hopefully this is still a review. So the 7 is a ones place, 8 is a tens place, 9 is a hundreds place. That's our first set. Remember I said after every set or after every period, there's going to be a comma. Now we start our pattern over again. Ones, tens, hundred, comma. There's our second set. That 4 is a 1, 5 is a 10, 6 is a 100. So all I'm doing is consider keeping that pattern going. Comma, 7 is a 1, tens, 100. I know my handwriting is a little bit messy right now. I can't find my stylus, which is the little thing that you write on your iPads. I just got to go get another one. So until then, you get messy handwriting. So let's start right here at the 7. You have a ones, a tens, and a hundreds, right? Let me switch colors. Ones, tens, hundred. Ooh, maybe that yellow's too bad. Let's go with orange. Okay. Ones, tens, hundreds. So now we're going to label our sets. This right here, that's going to be our hundreds set. I'm going to abbreviate it HUND for short. That's our very first one. Everybody knows how to say that. So if you would just cover up all your other numbers, it would be 987. So now we're going to move on, and we're going to talk about this one. We have our HTO. This is our thousands. I'm going to just extend this line out. Thousands. So if I would cover up the 98754 yada yada, I would be left with 321,987. Pretty simple, pretty easy. Hopefully y'all guys know this. This is a review. Oops. Come back. Now let's look at this little set, or this period. You have 654. Well, what comes after what comes after thousands? You have your these are your millions. Millions. So once again, you cover up the 987, and you're left with 654 million. See how I go from, I pronounce this one and this one. Same thing over here. So 654,321,987. And you don't have to pronounce the 100. Most of this is common sense because you've been learning about this or saying it's from the get-go. All right, last one. This guy, oops, right here. This is going to be billions. 987 billion. So now let's pronounce this all together. 987 billion, 654 million, 321,987. That is it. Oh wait, one last thing. This place, when we're dealing with decimals, tenths, with the TH, and remember I taught you to clap your hands. hundredths. So, oops, ran out of room. Hundredths. All right, that's it for today's lesson. Remember to go onto Google Forms and complete the form.